Hello, today I'm going to teach how to build an audio recognition application using Android. So, what this is going to achieve is that we are going to play music and our app is going to identify the artist and the title of the song. But first, we are going to rely on some external third party libraries. We are going to need the ACR Cloud account, the ACR SDK for Android, and the Glide GIF animation. We are going to need these three third parties. So let us look at what the ACR Cloud is. Actually, I don't want to use Safari. So I'm going to switch to Chrome and look for ACR Cloud. Well, I'm already logged in. Let me log out. Great. So this is ACR. You can read more about ACR here. You can look at their solutions, their clients, their technologies, and you can actually find a lot about them. But what it basically does is an API somewhere whereby we extract audio fingerprint and then we send it to through the SDK to the API. The API is going to then detect and tell us which song or the title of the song playing. So all you have to do is you have to have a free trial. You can actually sign up for free. You can fill in the details here, follow whatever is needed, your full name. You can fill it and then do whatever is needed. Now after this, you are going to need to sign in. Since I already have an account, I don't need to create all these things. I don't need to create them. So let me sign in here. Sorry. Great. So here there are a lot of tutorials actually about the ACR cloud-based SDK. You can actually find a lot here, but we are not going to be jumping all over here. We are going to go straight to the point. So when you are able to sign up and you are able to sign in, you are going to get this console. So when you come to this tab over here, you look for the audio and video recognition. Then this tab, you see that I've already created a project called test app, but you have to create a new project. So you have to come here and then give it a name. Let's say test app 2. Then the audio source, how to choose client audio source, you can actually read and get more information from that. So basically what we are going to do here is that we are going to capture our audio files from a very noisy environment, and we want ACR to recognize it for them. You have another option whereby you can actually be singing through your mic and then it's going to do it for you without noise. But we are going to use this option. So let us select. They ask you select the bucket which you want to identify the results from. Actually, we want to identify the results from ACR Cloud Music. We can actually create our own bucket. Thus, we are going to add our own music to ACR for it to do whatever we like. Okay, so after that, you just hit create. Then you see that your app has been created. After your app has been created, you can see this table. There is host here, access key, and access secret. So take note of these things. We are going to need them later on. Great. So I guess we've been able to understand what the ACR cloud is. Now we have to start coding. Let's get into our Android Studio and start writing some code.